So in this video we will be solving a problem which is Fibonacci series up to nth term. So let's see the problem statement. The problem is saying that you are given an integer n, return the Fibonacci series till the nth term, zero base index. It is starting from zeroth index. Okay, term. So since the terms can be become very large, so return the term with modulo 10 is to power 9 plus 7. So let's see the example part. If n equals to 5, so Fibonacci series. So first question is that comes in our mind is what is Fibonacci series? So Fibonacci series is the basically sum of previous two elements. Like if we are starting from 0, then 0, then 1, then sum of previous two elements 0 plus 1, 1. Now my new term is 1. Let's see this Fibonacci series. Yeah, if n equals to 5, so firstly we will start from 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is fixed number. Huh? So firstly we will start from 0, then 1, then previous two numbers. Now next term will be the sum of previous two numbers. Previous two numbers are 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So my new number is 1. Now next number is the sum of previous two numbers. Previous two numbers are 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 will be my new number. Now again we will find new number. New number will be the sum of previous two numbers. So previous two numbers are 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 will be a new number. Now again we'll find a new number. New number will be sum of previous two numbers. Previous two numbers are 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So this will be my Fibonacci series up to fifth term. So because we are starting from zeroth index, so this is zeroth index. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 terms. Uh, However, here are 6 terms, but because we are starting from 0, zeroth index, that's why here are 6 terms. But in basic sense, we will see it is starting from 0 and going up to fifth term, fifth index. So it is a Fibonacci series up to fifth and nth Fibonacci means fifth Fibonacci. So if we find the nth Fibonacci, then nth Fibonacci will be like 0, then 1, then sum of previous two elements will be 1, then sum of previous two elements 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 3, then 3 plus 2 5, then 5 plus 3 8, then 8 plus 30, sorry 8 plus 5 13, then 30 plus 5 21. It is like that we will add up again and again. Sum of previous two elements will give me a new number. Okay, so here what we are doing is it is the sum of previous two elements. We know this. Okay, so if n equals to 10, then how we will create 0, then 1, then 1 1. Like this we can create a Fibonacci series. And up to where, up to कहाँ तक, ठीक है. So because we are starting from zeroth index, so up to 10th, 10th term तक मेरे को जाना है. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth term 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10th index तक मेरे को जाना है. So this will be my answer. So as you can see here also, if n equals to 10, so this is my answer. So now we will see how we will create this Fibonacci series. So it's very easy to create this using recursion. If n equals to 1, if n equals to 1, then what I will do? Simply I have already told you about this कि because starting हम कहाँ से करेंगे, ठीक है. 0 and 1, 0 and 1 तो फिक्स रहेंगे. स्टार्टिंग के टर्म 0 and 1 ये तो फिक्स रहेंगे. तो इफ n इक्वल टू 1 है, तो n इक्वल टू 1 के केस में क्या होगा? दिस इज जीरो इंडेक्स, दिस इज वन इंडेक्स. वन इंडेक्स तक मेरे को जाना है, तो 0 and 1. So in that case, what will I do? Firstly, I will create a vector because I have to return that. Okay, because in vector form, as you can see here, in vector form, I am returning here. Okay, so if n equals to 1, so I'll push 0 and also 1 in my vector. V dot pushback of 0, V dot pushback of 1. You can create a curly bracket uh, and you can create b dot pushback of curly bracket 0 comma 1. Okay, so in else case what I will do? In else case, simply vector equals to vector. Here I am telling vector, it is b also, so it can be b equals to function of that function that I have given. Okay, सो बी इक्वल्स टू फंक्शन ऑफ एन माइनस वन. बिकॉज ये कॉल जा रहा है, फंक्शन कॉल जा रहा है जब तक के लिए मेरी वैल्यूज, ये क्या कर रहा है, बी इक्वल्स टू फंक्शन ऑफ एन माइनस वन. अगर मेरे पास फंक्शन पड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है, ये फंक्शन है मेरे अंदर, ठीक है, तो एन माइनस वन मीन्स इफ एन इक्वल्स टू 5, तो 5 माइनस वन 4 के लिए कॉल जाएगी सेम, फिर 3 के लिए, 2 के लिए जाएगी, देन 1 के लिए जाएगी, देन इफ 1 के लिए जाएगी, तो 1 के लिए जाएगी तो ये वाली कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगी. 4 है तो उसके लिए ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगी, ये वाली कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होगी, फंक्शन कॉल जाता जाएगा. जब n इक्वल टू 1 आएगा, तब ये वाली कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होगी। उस केस में मैं क्या करूंगा, बी डॉट पुश बैक ऑफ 0, बी डॉट पुश बैक ऑफ 1। नाउ माई इन माई वेक्टर मेरे पास क्या क्या है, 0 है 1 है। नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, बी वेक्टर डॉट पुश बैक ऑफ फाइनली इन दिस, जब मेरी फंक्शन कॉल खत्म हो जाएगी, फंक्शन कॉल कब खत्म होगी, जब ये वाली कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाएगी। इफ लाइक मेरे पास n इक्वल टू 5 है, तो n इक्वल टू 5 है, मैं चेक करूंगा इसके अंदर आऊंगा, इफ कंडीशन n इक्वल टू 1 है, नहीं है, तो एल्स कंडीशन में गया, फंक्शन गया n-1 के लिए कॉल गई, अब मेरे पास 4 के लिए कॉल गई, फिर मैं फंक्शन पे के अंदर गया, फिर मैंने चेक किया ये कंडीशन ट्रू है, नहीं है, ये वाली ट्रू है, एल्स में कंडीशन ट्रू है, तो n-1 4 3 के लिए फंक्शन कॉल गई, देन अगेन 2 के लिए गई, देन अगेन 1 पे आया मैं, फिर मैंने चेक किया n इक्वल टू 1, या इट इज करेक्ट, देन इन दैट केस व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल सिंपली पुश माय number zeros and 1 in my vector. Now I have two numbers in my vector 0, 1. Now finally after this, if this condition will true, after this my I will come at this line, vector dot pushback of vector of n-1 plus vector of n-2, means vector के जो previous two elements है n-1 is showing previous element, n-2 previous element, जो previous two elements है 0, 1 पड़े हुए हैं, तो उनको ऐड करता जाऊंगा, 0 प्लस 1 1, देन 1 प्लस 1 2, देन 2 प्लस 2 2 प्लस 1 3, ऐसे जो भी ऐड करता जाऊंगा, जो भी मेरी फिबोनाची सीरीज बनेगी। So let's do the code for this. So coding part is very simple for this. Firstly, what I will do, I will create a vector. So because I have to return that, so let's create it like answer. Okay. Now I will check if n equals to 1. If this condition true, this condition is true. In that case, what I will do, I will push answer dot push back of 0, and simply I can also say answer dot push back of 1, because if n equals to 1, it is starting from 0th index, 0, 1 1 पे आके मेरे को रुकना है, तो 0 and 1 are the fixed terms in Fibonacci series. Now in else condition what I will do, I'll simply say answer equals to this series sorry series of n-1, because if n equals to 5, पहले चेक होगी ये वाली कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं है, तो इन दैट कंडीशन व्हाट आई विल डू, 1 minute, in that condition what I will do, I will come up at else condition में n-1 4 के लिए कॉल जाएगी, फिर 3 के लिए, फिर 2 के लिए, फिर 1 के लिए जब कंडीशन कॉल जाएगी, तो ये वाली चीज वेक्टर में पुश हो जाएगी। आफ्टर दिस आई विल कम एट दिस इंडेक्स लाइक आंसर डॉट पुश बैक, आंसर के अंदर क्या पुश करूंगा, ठीक है, पुश बैक ऑफ आंसर ऑफ n-1 प्लस आंसर ऑफ n-2, ठीक है, and finally we will return my answer. So return answer like this I can return. Let's compile it and see if this will work or not. Our intuition is correct, our approach is correct, so definitely it will work. Yeah, as you can see here, so here's some problem like it's 0 1 0, then 1 1 1 1 2. Okay, so the problem is actually the problem was here, actually this line should come here, so let's come it here, because in else condition this line should come. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not, and here can be a mistake, it should be a long also, because the numbers can be too large also, so taking a long is good. It is taking two time. So the problem was long. So what is the problem here? If I write int or then compile, so now let's submit this and see if this will work or not. I think there can be a problem, because it should be long because the numbers can be too large. Yeah, output limit exceeded. it means overloading. As you can see, overload हो गया function, ठीक है, numbers can is too large actually. So let's correct. As you can see here, we have to do the modulo also after this, because the terms can be too large, so we have to do the modulo. So I have added the modulo term because I didn't add the in previous. So let's add this. This is the modulo term. So constant in mod equals to bani 9 plus 7, and I have added this in this term because this will be the term. It can be too large, that's why I am adding this. Now let's compile and run. Uh, However, it will not pass our all the test cases. I will tell you why. Yeah, it is, as you can see here, 11 under 11. Yeah, so let's see this submission. 1111 टर्म ही 12 में पास हो रहे हैं. So that is the problem. So here we have used the recursion technique. Now we can see our total submission is 1120, but पास कितने हो रहे हैं इतने, ठीक है. तो क्यों नहीं हो रहे? Because we are using recursion here. Now it is telling me that I have to use dp here because our term is very large. So recursion is not able to pass those terms. So let's add the dp here. So uh, using the dp in recursion is very easy. So what we will do, we will convert this to dp of the size n plus 1 and initial, sorry, n plus 1, and I am initializing to 0 initially. Okay, if I am adding, if n equals to 1, then I am pushing answer dot pushback of 0 and answer dot pushback of 1. Rather than this, in dp what I will do, dp of 0, 0 क्या होना चाहिए, 0 होना चाहिए, ठीक है, and dp of 1 equals to 1, ठीक है. These two terms will be there. Zeroth index should be 0 and 1th index should be 1. So it is telling zeroth index is 0 and 1th index is 1. Now what I will do, I will erase this term, like erase this, and I will apply a loop here. For int I equals to 2 to I less than equals to n, then I plus plus, and simple dp of I. dp of I, what in dp what I will do, dp of I should be the adding sum of the previous two elements, like dp of I minus 1 and also plus dp of I minus 2, and also I have to use mod in here. So let's do the mod. So I think this is perfect. Now in return time what I will do, I return dp. So I have changed some terms in recursion form to convert it to dp. So let's do it. I think now it will pass all the test cases. Yeah, as you can see, it is working perfect. So this was the complete solution. We have seen that why my recursion solution was not working, and how many times, as you can see here, how many times I got failure. 1100, 11, 1100, 11, like this. So अब मेरे को समझ आया कि रिकर्जन से डीपी मैंने कन्वर्ट क्यों की, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो but this can be done by using recursion also, but I don't know why my recursion technique was not working. But here you can see dp is also working, and in recursion I have changed tech some elements, like dp of 0, 0th index पर क्या आना चाहिए 0, 1th index पे क्या आना चाहिए 1. Now I am applying a loop from I equals to 2 to I less than equals to n, then I plus plus, and I have done this term, like the current term should be sum of the previous two terms. So this is showing dp of I minus 1, dp of I minus 2. Then also I am doing mod here. So finally I am returning at my dp. So this was the complete solution. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. तब तक के लिए bye.